Guys, still here at Auto Culture. Siyempre kasama pa rin Brian Cano. And guys, ito, usapang Carbon Zone tayo mga koto. Kasama natin ang owner ng Carbon Zone mga koto, Sir Rosaldo Rodriguez mga koto. Siyempre, yan, kaway muna tayo, Sir. Yan, Sir RR, boss, no? Tama po ba?
Ng araw.
Okay, Sir RR, siyempre, very curious sa mga kaoto natin. Paano ba nag-start si Carbon Zone, boss?
Tough, long battery. Tough and long life.
Si Carbon Zone, nagsimula siya way back 2010. So, we've been in this industry for 14 years. And then, nag-start kami from supplying carbon fiber parts to other car shops. And then, doon kami nagsimula hanggang sa dadagdagan kami ng mga parts, ng mga services. Hanggang sa ngayon, kumpletong build na yung ginagawa natin from performance to looks. Yun yung ginagawa natin ni Carbon Zone Unlimited.
Yun, okay. Kumbaga, ano ba, talagang nasa carbon, ano talaga, nasa...
Yun yung naging backbone. Yung
Yun ang
carbon
ano.
fiber, body kits, customization, yung hindi available in the market, kino-customize natin to make it a reality, yung mga designs na gusto nila customers.
Yun, well said. Siyempre, Boss RR, very, siyempre, as a businessman in terms of carbon, no, alam mo, pwede mo mapayo sa mga, gustong pumasok sa car industry in terms of business.
Normally, we have yung personal guidelines sa buhay. So, number one, of course, within the circle, within the group, within the community, of course, respect. Yeah, you have to respect everybody. Tapos pangalawa, meron kami mga prinsipyo na sinasabi namin, we always have to do what is right, not what is convenient. So, from there, yung negosyo, technically, bonus na lang yan. Yung earnings, bonus na lang yan. But ang main goal natin is to make everybody happy. Of course, satisfied na mga clients, mga customers. Yun yung natin, yung number one goal.
Yun, well said. Okay, Boss RR, syempre, I'm sure you're very busy dito sa event. Dito tayo sa, Transport Show, dito sa SMX Convention. Boss, promote na tayo ng Carbon Zone.
Thank you. Also, please like and share. Follow our page, Carbon Zone Unlimited sa Facebook, sa YouTube, sa Instagram. It's the same name, Carbon Zone Unlimited. We're located in 21st Avenue, Project 4, Quezon City.
Yun, okay, well said. Okay na, Boss
Thank you.
RR. Okay, so guys, this is Brian Cano and Sir Rosaldo Rodriguez, owner ng Carbon Zone, mga kautan. This is Auto Culture.